Midea portable air conditioners can leak water for several reasons. Understanding these common sources helps you quickly identify and fix the problem. Here's how a portable AC works and the main reasons water leaks occur. The unit processes indoor air through cooling coils, creating condensation that must be properly managed. Start troubleshooting by checking the installation. The unit must be on a perfectly level surface, and the exhaust hose must be properly connected without kinks or damage. Drainage problems are a leading cause of leaks. Remove the drain plug, use a vacuum to clear any blockages, then flush the system with water and vinegar. Make sure the drain hose slopes downward without kinks. The internal water tank requires regular maintenance. Empty it frequently, inspect for cracks or damage, ensure the float mechanism moves freely, and clean it thoroughly to prevent mold growth. Clean air filters regularly by washing them with soapy water, allowing them to dry completely, then reinstalling. If coils freeze due to poor airflow, turn off the unit to allow thawing and clean the filters. In high humidity conditions, use dehumidifier mode to control moisture buildup. Important, Midea recalled 1.7 million U and U Plus window units in 2025 due to mold risk from pooled water. Contact Midea for a free repair or refund if you own one of these units. For persistent water leaks, the drain pan requires careful inspection. Look for signs of rust, cracks, or physical damage that could allow water to escape. For minor damage, waterproof sealant can provide a temporary fix. Apply sealant to small cracks or holes, but remember this is only a short-term solution until professional repair can be arranged. Certain damage requires professional attention. Broken drain lines, damaged coil insulation, or refrigerant leaks are beyond typical DIY repairs and need qualified technician expertise. Regular maintenance is crucial for preventing leaks. Clean the coils regularly to prevent corrosion and potential refrigerant leaks. This simple step can save you from costly repairs down the road. Before storing your air conditioner, proper preparation prevents future problems. Drain all water completely and run the unit in fan-only mode to dry internal components thoroughly. Remember, the leading causes of leaks are improper installation and drainage system problems. Consistent maintenance, including regular filter cleaning and drain pipe inspection, is key to preventing leaks and maintaining optimal performance.